Hello guys, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Matinde coming live from Nyabohanse village, Kenya. Coming across this channel for the first time, you're most welcome. You are really welcome, feel most welcome. Yeah, here is the place where you are supposed to be, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And for my returning viewers, thumbs up guys. I really appreciate your love and support guys. And it's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful morning, and I'm so happy. I'm so good, like I'm full of energy. Yeah, when God wakes you up, I usually say because he wants you to do something, and you because of his love. First of all, it's because of his love and grace, favor, you know. And also, if you wake, you're healthy, that's a gift, and we usually thank God for that. I really thank my mighty God for that. Is God of wonders. So guys, you can see, so I promised you yesterday guys, didn't I really promised you guys, and I'm here to fulfill my promise. Yeah guys, the middle of somewhere, like you can just see there's no house, no one, so you're heading to see I can't wait to see I can't wait to see them. I just really want to see their reaction, the way I will interact with them. So guys, if you want to know as what, if you have not watched my previous video, the latest one, kindly go and watch my videos. Please be liking the videos guys, it really helps a lot. Yeah, so guys, please be liking the video and subscribe. So this morning has really remembered me my old days, where when I was young, when my grandmother sometimes when my grandmother used to tell me to look at, like, to look after the what, we go and look after the maize. If there are birds, you know, there were birds that eat when the maize is not that yet matured, they come and eat. So you used to go and make scarecrows, you know, you make a scarecrow like a person, so that when the birds come they can think there is a person, and then they go. So I've never seen like I haven't seen monkeys for real, like I can't I haven't, so I'm looking forward to see the monkeys. I usually chase birds, but monkeys, it's my first time. So I'm just we are in that forest guys. Let me yeah, that forest, and that that mountain you are seeing is there. So this is the forest where they usually these the trees they normally climb. This is where we are, and you can just take, I'll just take you around before we see one or two monkeys at a good place guys. I don't know if they are calling them or something, you can just hear sounds. Yeah, so guys, gosh, inside here is beautiful. Sawa. Nilikuwa naonesha mawe. You can just look. So guys, you can just tell these stones are good, and it's so big. It's big and it's good. So I want to avoid shaking. That's why so keen to showing you guys so that you can enjoy the video. So we are here. So I hope to see them. Just I don't know if you can see them. They're up there. Aki, you can't see them properly. Huh? Well, I'm waiting them to climb down. They're up there. You can't. don't know if you can see them, like this one. You see, they're climbing up there. So I'm waiting for them to climb down. They're up there. So you can take a look at how this. See, so this forest is where they live in. This forest of their canopy, like there are different kind of trees. See, like this tree, so good, and down is so clear, like you can even see it. So see, look. So meanwhile, so this forest also has so called the big stone. There are mountain of stones here. And I'm surprised even to find a chair here. I don't know if they sit on it or what. Imagine, guys, there's a chair there. So I don't know if they sit on this. And there's a way here leading to that stone. That stone is so big. You can just tell. And there are a variety of places that you can pass through going this hill. So I'm climbing this hill, guys. See where you're heading. Climb. And it's morning. It's morning. Yeah. Take a look where I am. On the stones. And these stones are big. So you can see that's where I'm coming from. And that's the forest that they are. They are. So you can see stones everywhere. Stones everywhere. So this is the forest that I'm talking, guys. So this is where monkeys live. And they're up. They're so high that my phone cannot I cannot be able to take them clear, because you can barely see them on my phone. And this stone is so big. Good. So let me explore here. I want to try. So climb high. Yeah, I'm up here, guys. I'm up here. Up here. See? Can see? Yeah. So that's it wasn't an easy job climbing here. You can just tell. See? That stone. And the whole of this place is this stone. And they are different. You can see stones there and there. So there are stones here, guys. So let me show you now. I'm standing. You can't believe. You can see this stone like this. Jesus. So big. And you can see there. Let me show you something. Me climb on those stones. And there's water catchment areas. So many of them. There are so many. You can just tell there's even a small. So these are stones on top of stones. It's like a cave. See? This stone is small. There's another one. It's almost like a cave. Can you see? Goodness, it's so good. And there's another one here. You can think that it's falling. It wants to fall. So there are grasses like this, and I want to pass. So, so it's a fresh morning. This is what I just found myself doing. See? This stone, gosh, it's on top of you can just think that it wants to fall anytime, but it won't fall, guys. That's how they are. You think they want to fall, but that's how they are for years. So for years they are like this for many years they're just like this. You can just tell. So if you want to go down, you can just go down through that place, or you can go through that place. So these stones are so big and good. Just take a look at nature. This is what we call nature, guys. This is what we call nature. And this is where I am. And actually, I want to go and see the monkeys. You can just tell. The stones are so many. Here, there's another one like a house. Here. Yeah. And here is where you find variety of, like, these trees are medicine. There's this one. There's this one. This one is good for children. These one are good for children, so you can just tell. So you can see those stones, guys. So these stones are so natural and beautiful. So let me go and see the monkeys. I've been told they have climbed down. So let me go and see. So from here you can just tell the forest. So this forest is so tall. Imagine I'm standing on the stone and you can just see this is not the topmost. So you can just, you see, they are so, like, even I cannot go near. They are so tall. So let us go and see the monkeys. Look at this one. Look. Guys, can you see this stone? Let me show you. It looks like a house. Can you see? Oh, you can even sleep, guys. Like, so big. Uh-oh. This sounds so good. African house. Okay, so this stone. So that monkey over there. Yeah, so they refused to come down, guys. They're on top. So like this one. Hi. Hello. Hello. Baby monkey. You can't see it. Gosh, she's so small. Hello. Look at that. Look at it. It's gone. Look, 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 look. Look. Are you seeing them, guys? Are you able to see the monkeys? See? See the monkey, guys. Have you seen it? It's there. So that's the monkey, guys. Oh. So that's, you can just look at it. Look. Sure. It's just that I'm not clear, but this one that is near me. Jesus. Look. Look. How it's climbing. Look. Oh. It has climbed up. So look at it. Okay, guys. So this is what happened today. Okay, so like this. today they did this part like this, you know, are the cobras. Yeah, so that's for today. So the cobras are like this. So the only part that is finished is the lower cobra. That they haven't done is the lower cobra, and also plastering those bricks. Yeah, so tomorrow they are going to plaster those bricks. You can see bricks on top of the kitchen, and also plaster our chimney. See, our chimney is not plastered. Yeah, so we're going to plaster our chimney and also plaster that part. You can see there's part there. If you see keenly that part, yeah, we're going to plaster it. So that's how it is, guys. It is what it is. So yeah, like this. Let me stand at afar and not shake. So it's like this. You can see the toilets like this, and like this. Yeah, like this. New transformation like this. So they have done this part, the lower part. The only part they've done is lower part. Yeah, this one. So I hope tomorrow they'll do the one I showed you on the kitchen, and also do the cobra, the upper cobra like these there. Yeah, I think that will be work for tomorrow. That will be what for tomorrow, and also this side. So they haven't done yet, so we still got work to do here, down the upper part like that. Yeah, so I hope tomorrow they'll do a good work. So apparently there's one mason from the Mason Gerard is the only person who comes to do this cobra thing, because like he does that work perfectly. So that's why this work is for himself. So he comes, so we got one mason. So we had one mason and one handman, because this work he does it very, very good. So you can just tell his work. See how he make the corner so sharp. Just see, so sharp. Yeah, I love his work. So this cobra thing is Mason Gerald Pure himself. He does that cobras himself, so it's good. And yeah, that's how it is for today. That's how it is, guys. So we still got finishing cobras, plastering there, and here cobras also. So we still work that will be done here, guys. So guys, they are there, but they are up there. They are not coming down from the trees. Yes, the monkeys are there, but they are not coming up from the trees. So if I try to record, you can't see them. Like, they are not seen clearly, but they are there. So just hope one day will come when they are down. So they're not coming down from the trees, they're just up there. So I've seen them. Me personally, I've seen them. Yeah, I thought they would be down. I thought they'll come down from the trees, but they aren't coming down from the trees. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate your love and support, guys. It means a lot to me. to support your girl by subscribing, and please be liking my videos, please guys. Okay, so bye, see you on my next video. Bye.